Today, we talk about... Just pretend I opened the box because I ain't showing you my address, but bop, 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 and bop. Already becoming a classic box pattern, bruh. Ooh, the iridescence never ceases to amaze with the Vapormax. So, looks like they kept it pretty consistent with the box. This is the Flyknit 3 version in the OG colorway of Blue Fury and Flash Crimson. Got them, retailing for $190. Damn, it's kind of expensive, bro. But let me tell you, when you're routinely buying resale sneakers for the thousandth, $190 sounds like a steal. Unfortunately, I hate this game. But anyway, back to the kicks. Bop, hey yo, Vapormax paper. Bop, ooh, wow, actually. God damn, I was actually kind of skeptical about these, but I am pleasantly surprised by these in hand. Wow, holy crap hola. All right, let's examine these a little closer. Bop, wow, man, this is a great color contrast. I am very happy with my sale run now. I was kind of doing it just to do it, just to complete the set. The hell is this? But in actuality, wow, this colorway, I don't know that this colorway could have turned out any better, so let's get it. So, first and foremost, the aglets got that classic Vapormax pattern to them, which is cool. Let's see what the new tongue says. VM Flyknit 3. Upper Flyknit, bag is air, TPU, cool. Very NASA-y looking font. We get the blue bops coupled with the crimson bops. You get that fly wire, harkening back to the OG 1.0s. That's kind of cool. And then I love this speckling to the nib pattern here. It's really cool. It almost reminds me of a 3.0 Ultra Boost, in fact. Maybe a mix of 3 and 4.0, and 1.0 actually, but it is what it is. So, I don't see any Vapormax or swoosh branding, interestingly. This one also has these little pod accentuators, if you will. But otherwise, the sole is essentially the exact same across all the Vapormaxes. You get that nice little toe guard. Hey, yo. But yeah, man, these laces really set it off, especially with the contrast of black underneath. That is cool. With the nice heel cup, Vapormax embossed there, Vapormax logo there. That's super cool, man. So, let's see. Insole, very similar to the 2019 Vapormax. So, yeah, pretty cool. Let's try them out. What are those? Hey, yo, bruh. Look how these pop, son. And it's not even just the mango laces. This is very reminiscent of the mango laces and swoosh on the Off-White Air Max 90s that recently came out. But what really stands out to me, in fact, is this knitting pattern, man. This is crazy. Just crazy. Show you a few steps in these. Hey, yo, laces really pop. This is a vibrant-ish. This would look great with like a blue top or something, blue sweatpants, blue sweatshirt, something. Sorry, I don't know what to do. Oh, got him. Well, my washer's still doing its thing. Sorry about the Anyway, true to size for show. Really regret going a half size up on the 2019 versions, the non-Flyknits, but it is what it is. But yeah, these are great. I'm sure more Delp colorways will be coming out. I really hope they don't nail it more than these, because I'm not buying another pair of us for sure. I'll have to update my Vapormax collection video now. But yeah, thanks for joining, and we'll see you on the next one. We out. Bye.